Hey guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Here I am with my ranch hat, and I'm dressed in my gentleman rancher jacket. Diana bought this for me a little earlier. I think she looked at it and she really liked it. I think what happened was she saw it online or in a catalog and had a really good looking young man dressed in this, and she thought maybe if she got this for me I would look like that. But anyway, I like it. It's quite nice. I think I look like a gentleman rancher. Here we are, and I'm going to show you another neat gadget. You know I'm a gadget freak, but this particular gadget has proven to be really good. We're so pleased that we got these for our doors. We have 7 doors in our house. Yeah, I know. Anyway, it's not that big a house. 7 doors. But anyway, we use 2. Typically, out of the 7, we use 2. We use the side door, which comes from the front yard, and then we use this door, which is in the lower level, the backyard, the pool, the wood, the fire pit, all that kind of stuff. So out of those 7 doors, we use 2. And you would probably have the same problem. When you come in from outside, particularly if you're a ranch type person, maybe not such a big deal in the city, but if you're a ranch type person, maybe you've been out working on the tractor or working in the field, pulling rocks, weeds, taking care of the horses, cutting wood, whatever you've been doing, hunting maybe, whatever you've been doing, and you're out there and you come to the back door and it's locked, because we're in the habit of locking doors. We go in, we lock them, we go out, we lock them. We always lock them. With 7 doors, it's a nuisance to run around and check them all, so we're in the habit, you lock them. And you come to the door and oh, darn, now you're looking for your keys. Now you've been out hunting or working with the horses or maybe cutting wood. You probably don't have your keys with you because you don't want to lose them. So you don't have your keys. So, oh darn, you look for your keys, you don't have them. Diana, you got your key? It's just a darn nuisance. So a little while ago we saw these and they were expensive as the devil. They were like $250. It was nuts. Then I saw them on sale one day for like $179. I thought, let's get one, okay? Yeah, simple, 4-digit code and you're in. Want to leave? Push lock, it's locked. Want to get in? 4-digit code. I'm not going to tell you the code, just that easy. Door opens, no keys, no nothing. It's fantastic. If you live in the wintertime, you're out in the snowmobile, you don't leave your keys with you. Why would you take your keys with you? You're going to lose them, you don't want them anyway in your pockets. In and out. So the 2 doors that we use all the time, we had these electronic locks on it. These particular ones are by Slade, I think it is, but or Wiser. I think it's from Wiser, and it doesn't matter. Lots of different companies make them. We wanted ours to be the same, just for consistency. You can still use your key if by some chance the battery goes. They last a long time. But the battery does go dead. Put your key in and turn it. Hopefully you have a key somewhere available. Now I want to show you the inside because that's important. This is the outside. The buttons light up, by the way. So if you come in, you hit any button, they light up. Now you can see them if it's late at night. We have lights on that turn on automatically, shine on the door. But if you don't have that, hit any button and they light up. Now you can punch your code in. You can punch in different codes for different people. You can have a code for your kids, code for your mom and dad, code for Kevin. No, I wouldn't do that, no. But anyway, different codes for different people, and you change them very easily. Now we're going to go inside. I want to show you the inside because that's very important. Okay, see inside. Okay, so here we are inside. On the inside, the doorknob, and then this is the electronic unit here. It has a latch on it, locked, open, locked, open. Real simple, so not complicated at all. And you notice a little flashing light. Let's wait for a minute. You see that little flashing light there, Kevin? Tell me when you see it. There. You see a little green? That means it's open. The door is open. Green, go. Okay, we don't want that. So the nice thing about this is when you're at night, watch the light. At night, when you're getting ready to go to bed, you can just stand and go near the door, just stand there and take a look. And after a few seconds, the light flashes red or yellow, it's locked, go to bed. You don't have to check. So that's how you open it when you want to get in or go out, and then when you come home at night, you flick it shut and it's locked. So this is simple enough. Let me get this off here. Oh, this is simple enough. Slippery, that's the problem. So this just slips off like so, and just a plastic cover. And I changed the batteries in November of 2019. And I just changed them again in November of 20. A year. These batteries last a year. There's your battery pack. You pull the battery pack out, 4 AA's, just that simple. And I forget how long it is, but you can take the battery pack out. You don't lose the code for a while. I don't know if it's 3 minutes or 5, whatever. You put new batteries in once a year. That's what I've been doing. Snap it back in, put the cover back on, and there you go. We love it. No keys, easy in and out, easy to lock, easy to check with the flashing light. Check it out. If you find yourself, as you know, like we were doing, looking for keys and the hole and everything else and pain in the butt, then maybe one of these will work for you. And they are cheaper. This is a Wiser. It's not cheap, but there are some good versions that are a lot less expensive too. Check it out. Just thought it'd be a good idea. Alec Peirce, the gadget guy. Alec Peirce at the ranch. Talk to you soon, guys.